In this experiment, we are going to learn and observe how a plant defines gravity. How does a plant soak up water from the soil in its roots and it travel throughout the plant? To do this experiment, you're going to need plastic cups, paper towels, and food coloring. To start this experiment off first, you're going to need to learn how to fold your paper towel. All you're going to do is take a paper towel. If you have a full-size paper towel, that's fine. I have half-size. You're going to fold it like so, and then fold it again, and then you fold it over. So it's very simple. Okay? Now, before you start, you're going to want to measure your paper towel. You're going to want to put it in here like so. Okay, you want the ends touching the bottom of the cup, and the top of your paper towel slightly touching the top of the cups. If you have any shorter cups, you're going to want to cut your paper towel at the bottom because you don't want it sticking up like this or any higher. You want it exactly like so. So that's what you need to do first, is measure your paper towel after you folded it. Now that we know our paper towel is great and it's good to go, now we can add water to our cups. So on the two end cups, you do not need as much water as you do on your inside cup. So I'm going to place the water in my cups. And as you can tell, I put more on the inside cups. And you only put water in every other cup. You're going to skip them ones on the inside. So now that I've done that, I'm going to put food coloring inside my cups. You can use any pattern you like. It doesn't matter what color goes where. I'm going to use my three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. This way, after we're done with the experiment and everything, me and my students can talk about how colors combined and they change colors and stuff like that. Alright, so now that I have my food coloring and my water, I'm going to stir it up just a little bit just to make sure it's good to go. And there we go. Alright, so now I'm going to start placing my folded paper towels inside my cups. So I have mine already folded. So I'm going to place one right in here. And on my every cup will have two ends of the paper towel inside of it, except my two on the end. So I place my paper towel in. And I do this like so. And I keep on going. So now my paper towel is like a chain. It's connecting the two cups. Okay. And now that is complete, you can see how my two outer cups only have one bottom of the paper towel. Alright, as we watch this experiment, the colored water is going to travel up the paper towel by a process called capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of liquid to flow upward, water to flow upward against gravity in narrow spaces. Students will be able to research this beforehand by reading books, using the computer, watching videos, and stuff like that. This is the same process that helps water climb from plants' roots to the leaves in different kinds of plants. Okay, we will also research how paper towels and basically all paper products are made from fibers found in plants called cellulose. So in this experiment, as the water flows upward through the tiny gaps between the cellulose fibers, the gaps in the towel act like capillary tubes. Okay, this is going to pull the water upward. So as you can tell, in some of them, the water is already being pulled upward. You can tell the blue right there, and the red and the yellow. It's already starting to take place. The water is able to defy gravity as it travels upward due to the force between the water and the cellulose fibers. So as this process and as the experiment goes on, students will be able to watch it as it goes up, and the water is actually going to be coming into another cup from the paper towel. It's because of how it absorbs it. So students will be able to watch and observe how this process takes place. But now I'm going to start my stopwatch. Okay, and I'm going to pause the video because using this process will probably take about an hour or so to completely finish. And then when we're done, the students will be able to look at it and see how and what has changed, to see how the water moved and everything like that. In this experiment, you could also use different paper towels since they absorb differently. They might act different, and there could be different effects. So I'm going to start the timer, and when it has completed its process, I will come back.